Síguela. Well, I had to stop here because Wolf Run Eclipse Biddy was over 20. 21 to be exact. Nice advantage play. This is Wolf Run Eclipse by IGT, and I just got the spins. And let's see what we get. 21 spins. Come on, Wolves, where are you? 3 on that, yeah. Anything helps. 3 bonuses. Let's get some more. Touchy button. Oh yes. Oh yes. Wolves all the way across. Few ways. There we go. Massive win. Oh yes. Come on. Keep going. Oh, this is nice. Always pays to stop. 79.60. And now we have 10 spins to go. Wow, 3 extra. Two bonuses give you 3 extra spins. Okay, we're up to 80. Oh, here we go. Okay, you see the one to the right of me has a mini at 15 and a minor at 15. That's 2 advantage plays. Okay, come on, Wolves. Very nice. Oh, see, they got the wheel. 2 bonuses right together. Okay, we still have 3 spins. Come on, give me another big one. There. Not bad. 115.40. Thank you, Wolf Run Eclipse by IGT. Massive win. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. Okay, time to move on. This is IGT's Wolf Run Eclipse, and I just got the mini bonus. 15 games. Come on, Wolves, line up. They look so nice, and then they go away. Come on, land them. shake going on. Big win. The 22.50. Trigger. Oh, there we go. There we go. Left. $39.75. Thanks for watching. Stay well. Win big. We love you all. Baci Stellare. Subscribe.